Okay, everybody, I wanted to show you really quickly what the final work on the bumper turned out to be. I didn't actually get video of us doing the install because it went so quickly that it just slid right in. Boom. No fuss, no muss. I'm really super pleased with this. Here you can see also the rear tailgate. I replaced that skin, and so the badging is gone. But again, I don't think that really matters too much. Not a Toyota snob in that sense. Anyway, the bumper is, I just washed everything off real quick since I did some woodwork, but the bumper is nicely finished with a bed liner. And these were the plastics from the old bumper. We just, the polycarbonate, we just carried it over with us. And then I ordered new license plate lights with LEDs in them, so that's pretty cool. I don't have an extra cover that was lost in one of my many boo-boo accidents. But anyway, I just wanted to let the few of you who might be interested in on the final completed project. The brake lights have also had their bulbs replaced with LEDs. One had burned out the other day. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and it's a fun project. I don't know if I help anybody with this, but I hope somewhere along the way some of the frustrations might be eased by somebody, for somebody, with my labors. All right, bye-bye.